Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoom meetings, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you schedule recurring Zoom meetings? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to schedule a recurring meeting in Zoom anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing sales calls on Zoom or maybe weekly team meetings, instead of setting up the Zoom call every single time, you can set them up as recurring. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Zoom app. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Zoom app, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to set up a recurring Zoom meeting, you're going to click right here on schedule. It looks like a little calendar. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up. So you can go ahead and name the meeting. So let's do this weekly sales call Anthony. Okay, and then you're going to schedule the first meeting. So let's go ahead and maybe schedule this one for Friday and then set the time. So we're going to run this from, let's say, 5 p.m. until 5:30. Make sure you have the correct time zone. Otherwise, it's going to mess up the meeting for your participant and yourself. And then here is really important. You want to click on repeat, and let's go ahead and do this weekly, and we'll do that weekly on Friday. Here you can go ahead and add in attendees. So these are the people who are always going to show up on this meeting. So if you have a coworker, and then you can go ahead and set these other settings right here. Do you want the videos to be on? I usually turn that off personally. And then you want to click on save here on the bottom right. Okay, quick second later, it jumps into calendar, and now you can see all of those Zoom calls are set up on a recurring Friday at 5 o'clock. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up a recurring Zoom meeting, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.